Hey, it's Jen, and today I'll be showing you how I achieve these short box braids. Yeah, I got sick and tired of doing my hair and I'm like, it's time to braid it up. But this style is super manageable and super easy. I'm definitely not the best braider, but you know, like I'm happy with the result. Yeah, so you want to start off with stretched moisturized hair, and I used about 1¼ packs of X-pression Ultra Braiding Hair. This is the color 1B, and with each pack of hair I cut it in half 2 times to get this length, which is just below my collarbone, which I was happy about. But yeah, I'll show you the visual. So I start by taking the section of hair I'm working with, and the extension part I kind of wrap around my actual hair like a horseshoe. Then I just twist the extension and I start braiding. I'm gonna show it in slow motion because yeah, I want to show what I mean by twisting. So I continue braiding those 3 parts of hair, but there's one part that's shorter because it's strictly just my natural hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add hair to the of some of the extension hair to that shorter end, so that as I go further down the braid, it's a bit more even. And then I cut my braid to the desired length, and I'm just gonna tie it off with this clear elastic band. After tying it off, you see those little pieces sticking out? We don't want that. So I go in and I clean it up with my scissors, making sure to be really careful not to cut the braid. After I finished braiding all my hair, I went ahead and I dipped the ends in warm water, and the total time that this, like from beginning to end, took was about 6 hours.